Hi and welcome to today's video where I will be showing you how to create a repository in GitHub, take it down to your computer, adding a file, and then pushing it back into GitHub. Now, GitHub, opposed to Git, is just a website that hosts your Git repositories. So what you want to be doing is logging into GitHub. Now this is just an account I created for this purpose. There are a lot of different ways of doing this, but I'll just be showing you one where you will be creating a repository from scratch. So you want to click the plus sign, new repository, just put whatever you want in here, like that. It sees it's available. Don't need a description as it's optional, but I put it as private, which is usually a good thing if you're working in a team that is developing something. Now I'm just gonna add a default dummy README file so we can just see a file within the repository. And just click create. When it's created, you can see that you have one file with a description of, or a comment, a message of the latest kind of push. So here is the initial commit. So you want to go to code here, and there are different ways of copying or cloning the repository. I'll just use the HTTPS. You want to copy it to your clipboard. Then you want to go into a folder location on your computer. I just created a kind of a parent folder for the future videos. And you want to go into the command prompt here. Now here, and you want to go to the directory here. So you want to copy the file path to make sure that you're in the folder that you want to kind of put your project. So as you can see, I'm at the same file path as here. Now, since I overwrite what's on my clipboard, I'll just copy it again. And I'll click Git clone and then add in your. And as you can see here, cloning into YouTube demo, remote, done. And if you go back into your folder here, you can see that the same name is here, and I have the README file. So just for this purpose, I'll just add a blank text document. This is my commit. And then I updated it in my folder, but as you can see, it hasn't updated here. So what you want to be doing, if you want to push this file back into GitHub, you can just check. Oh wait, git add. Oh yeah, I'm in the parent folder. So what you want to be doing is that you want to go into the folder that you're in. So just gonna do that real quick in here. And if you were to put git status again, you can see that it's up to date, but I have an untracked file. But for this purpose, what I could be doing is that if I only want to add one file, which I do, but it's a long kind of text to write. So what you want to be doing is just git add dot to add all of the files. And then git commit with an M for message. This is my first commit. Like that. So now you have committed your changes for your branch, but for the next you want to click git push. And with this, you pushed it, and as you can see at the bottom here, main to main. So if you went back to your website and just refreshed, here it is. So that is just a quick way of creating a repository in GitHub, taking it down to your local computer, adding files and then pushing it back up. Thank you so much for watching this video.